Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
We are fine.
Good. Today we're gonna do an alphabet fun game together, okay? We have to type out the letters in the box and to find your letter, and you're gonna write the letter on the board, okay? Who want to be the first? Liania's coming.
Hello, my name is letter E. My sound is E. E is for elephant. I'm gonna draw letter E. My name is letter G, sound G. I'm drawing letter G. Hello, my name is my sound fish, and write it letter F. My name is letter A. My sound is A. Now I'm gonna be writing letter A. My name is letter B, and my sound is B. Now I'm writing letter B.
Hello, my name is D. My sound is D. D for dog. Now I'm gonna draw D.
Hello, my name is letter C. Sound cat, and write down letter C.